Let's find 1 over 15 of 2 minutes in seconds. 1 over 15 of 2 minutes means 1 over 15 times 2 minutes. From the SI unit table for time, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 2 minutes will be equal to 2 minutes times 60 seconds, all divided by 1 minute. Simplifying, 1 minute divided by 1 minute, we are left with 1, and 2 minutes divided by 1 minute, we are left with 2. 2 times 60 seconds is equal to 120 seconds. Substituting 1 over 15 times 120 seconds, we simplify. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3, and 120 divided by 5 will give us 24. Simplifying further, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 24 divided by 3 will give us 8, equals 8 seconds. Then 8 seconds is 1 over 15 of 2 minutes in seconds.